make you high,
yeah,
not low.
Yes, yes. Yeah, we'd like to lift you from the low level to upper level. All right? Yeah, like American lady. Like a British lady, Australian lady,
You have
European lady.
You have
Okay, this is a special Mwanamke Bomba. Mwanamke Bomba is a special woman. All right, yeah, that's why we are changing your life because depending of your name, so that we can do a lot of things that to make you happy.
Nikwambie fundi kiukweli wa Mungu. Hiyo design ya hayo mafiga unasema hayako huku. Design yenye iko ni hii.
Ndio hii. So we do have to change it. We do have to change it in whatever way.
Unajua hata watakao wanakuja wanaangalia sasa akuwekea ile haiko hapa. They will wonder how maskini anapikia.
All right. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. We see and we'll collaborate together how we can achieve this goal. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're okay. Be blessed.
Okay.
You too. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, we are together here so that we can proceed to, because our daily basics, we need to work together. Advance together. All right. So the bigger one, I would like to differentiate the small one and the bigger one. Yiru napenda jiko kubwa li hold sufuria gani? Okay, hiyo ya chini. Okay. Unawapikia na hii. Okay. So she's saying that this is a favorite sufuria that her choice for cooking in terms of welcoming guests or visitors, she likes to use this bigger one. This is the bigger sufuria that she chosen to use. And the smallest one? Yeah, ndogo. Ndogo ni gani?
Kidogo tu. Utafanya sehemu ya kupikia mboga na ugali.
Yeah. There must be two different makers. Yeah. That's why I'm asking you, the smallest sufuria will be at that side and the bigger one in the other side. So sufuria yako ndogo itakuwa mahali fulani na yako kubwa hii itakuwa sehemu fulani. So ungependa kubwa iwe upande gani? Pale unapenda kupikia mara nyingi. Mara nyingi side unapenda kupikia.
Ndio hii.
Ndi hapa. Sasa ndogo itawekwa huku ama
side hii.
Ndogo itawekwa huku. Okay. So the bigger one, she's saying that she's proposing the bigger one even is her favorite.
That is your favorite.
Yeah. It's her choice. So it will be like this. Sufuria kubwa hapa, na sufuria ndogo hapa. Sawa? So ukitaka kupikia ndogo, unapikia this side. If you have visitors, so that you can adjust your meal in terms of cooking, you use this side. But you are free. You are free to use any of this meko because it's yours. It's yours. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. So let's proceed. Yeah, that's what I wanted to you.
I wanted to
this visitor, your neighbor. Okay. All right. Okay. Just release her so that you'll come here for more information.
What is your name?
My name is Gilberto. As you can see on my back, Gilberto Architecture and Construction. Or Gilbert, yes. Yeah, I'd like to pour water here. Just come with water. Yes. So just come with water so that I can facilitate you. I can help you to do whatever you want to do. Tutakutolea. Sawa. Okay. Maji yako wapi dadi? Ni haya? Ni haya?
Hapana.
Leta haraka sasa. Toa hizo tena ka space. So you're creating a place and a space that you would like to build that meko. Look like a modern meko, or is it cooker or meko?
The stove.
A stove, eh? Yeah. It is an artificial or natural stove. Yeah, okay. Sasa ona kuna kitu nataka nipime. You can hold for me this. Esther suggested that she would like to use this direction.
So why are we measuring this?
So I'm measuring the size of this stove. Yeah, just to avoid some blockage. Yeah, because we'd like to have some thickness out of the interest, because this one will be carried like this. So we have to provide the extension.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is and the bigger sufuria will be here, and the smallest one will be in this way, at this place. So I can see, we can consider this a place until hit this side.
Okay.
It will be enough, I think. Yeah, it will be enough. So we have to give a space. Maybe 2 people can cook differently.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to provide us size of 1 person or space, and the second one can sit here to do her things or his things using the second meko or stove. Yeah. So this is the place. We are trying to create some space. You can call it a foundation. This is a foundation. Yeah? Yeah? Inafanya?